Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to do these pretty pastel mermaid inspired nails. So to start off, I have my nails filled, prepped, ready to go. And I'm going to go in and take Young Nails Flex Gel. This one is a lower viscosity, so it is runnier. And I'm going to take the Young Nails Master Gel brush to apply the gel. And I'm going to put a thin layer of this on my ring finger. And then we're going to go in with our glitter. So for glitter, I'm going to be using Cotton Candy from Glitter Heaven, Australia. It has a bunch of iridescent glitters. It's got pinks, blues, and purples, and then it's got these little dark purple stars, super cute and unique. So I'm going to take my finger that has the gel on it and dip it into the glitter, and then I'm going to go ahead and press the glitter into the gel a little bit more. Then I'm going to flash cure it, and I'm going to do the same thing on my thumb. So here's what the nails look like with the glitter cured into the Flex Gel. Now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the glitter. I'm going to be using Young Nails Build Gel. And I'm going to go in, put a slick layer down, and then I'm going to go in with a larger bead of the gel and work it up and create that encapsulation and the apex. So after I cured the encapsulation, I went ahead and filed off camera. So those nails are ready to go, and we're ready for color for the rest of the nails. So this first color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Soft Serve. This is from their new spring collection. This is one of my favorites from the collection. It's a super pretty pastel purple. And I'm going to apply this to my pinky and my pointer finger. And next we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Jack and Jill. This one is a lighter teal color. And I'm going to put this one on my middle finger. And now I'm just going to go in and do a second coat of those two colors. This next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Mochi Please, again from their new spring collection. And this one is a purple matte glitter, and it has little teeny tiny flecks of holographic glitter in it. This color is so pretty. So I'm going to use Mochi Please to create a glitter fade over the teal Jack and Jill color. And I thought this worked just to help tie in the whole design together. So now we're going to go ahead and add some bling to the nails. I will be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And I'm just using a dotting tool to apply some of this to my pointer finger. And I'm going to go in with these circle frames. I'm going to be using the silver ones. I believe these are from Creations, but I got them from my local nail art supply store. I'm going to place one of the silver rings right in the center of the nail at the cuticle area. And then for the Swarovski crystals, I'm going to be using Amethyst, which is the one on the left, and then the one on the right is Light Rose AB. And I'm just going to go in with these two colors and create a cute little crystal cluster on the nail. And now we're ready for top coat. So I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny for the top coat. And here is how the nails turned out. They came out so cute. So I went into this design only knowing that I wanted to use soft serve for sure. And I found this glitter that matched, and then I threw in the teal, and I thought, oh, Mochi Please will go good. And then I started adding crystals, and normally when I just kind of wing it, my designs don't come out too good, but these ones came out super cute. I've been wearing them on my nails now for 2 weeks, and I've been getting so many compliments on these nails. They're so pretty, perfect for spring. I love this color combination. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.